Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and you're getting a 6-6 error code on it if you have a digital display. And if you don't have a digital display, it will show this 6-6 error code via a series of blinks. It will basically blink 6 times, pause for 2 seconds, and blink 6 times again. And then it will pause 5 seconds and it will repeat. 6 blinks, 2 second pause, 6 blinks. And if you're getting this error, the reason you're getting it is because you have a hot water connection to the dishwasher, and the hot water that's coming in is not coming in hot. So the first thing to check is to check the hot water connection and make sure that that it's connected properly to the hot water in your house. Make sure that your water heater is working and all that kind of stuff. Make sure your dishwasher is getting hot water. That's number one. And then if you have checked everything outside of the dishwasher and there's hot water coming into it, and the dishwasher is still giving you this error saying it's not giving hot water, then it's going to be the, with any of these errors, it's always kind of the same thing, where there can be the real problem or there are sensors that indicate the problem, and those sensors could be acting funny. So the thermistor or the thermistor could be sending wrong information to the control board, so you might need to replace the thermistor, or the control board itself could be just something wrong with it, something burnt out, and you need to actually replace the control board. But anyways, so that's what's going on with your dishwasher if you're getting that error at 6.6. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.